Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide likes and views on your Instagram posts. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app. Now I want you to go ahead and start create a brand new post. Let's click on the plus sign at the lower center of the screen. Let's pick what we want to upload. Let's say for example we want to upload this. We click next. We put some editing. Then we put some caption, description, so on and so forth. We add people, right? Let's say this is Oakley. Then we scroll down, we include music, location. The last point where the magic happens is right before clicking share, okay? I want you to click on advanced settings. When you're at advanced settings, there is a function, the second one, which simply allow you, if you click it, to hide like and view counts on this particular post. So after you click publish, this will go live, and guess what? Surprise, surprise. People will not be able to see how many likes this post gathered, how many views this post gathered. So you will be the only person who will be able to see and count the engagement. This could have its ups and downs, but it's up to you guys. This is how you hide this type of your analytics from the public. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.